Okay, so today we're doing create a video on axial, central, symmetry and rotations. So eccentric, translation as well. So this question was move this object from A to A1 using translation symmetry. So how we do that is my pencil again now. Here we go. So we have A, our point A is here, and we want to move A to A1. So it's you can use your sliding set squares. So I have here A to A1. And in the center, look from the center. I'll actually use a pen for this. A to A1. You just basically draw a line out from there to find the center, and then from that center point you can, from this center point, you can go from back to A, swing it around halfway, find a semicircle, and then we join. Sorry, the tape's getting stuck. Then we can join from the bottom to the bottom, there to there, there to there. And from this point on the outer circle to this point on the outer circle. Then we can join these up from the center to the outer point, the center to the point we found on the circle, straight down, and then our semicircle. I'm only doing a rough sketch so you can see it. And then our circle, or our, this should be 10 mil out, I'm pretty sure. So, but we'll bring it on. And from this point, just smaller. From this point all the way down. Now we have our first one using translation. Our next one is using axial symmetry, and this is going to be, just so you can see a bit clear, this is the axis. So we want to move A1 to A2. So this is going to be like a mirror image on this side. So we bring everything down. We obviously have point A2 already, so we can actually draw our horizontal line across and bring our center down. Sorry now. Bring our center down until it meets this our new center. From our center now we can do what we did last time and draw our radius. And I'm going to draw over here to find this point. We bring this point down from top here until it meets. That's the meeting point. And we bring this point here down. That's our meeting point for there. And I'll just darken it up there now for use. My pen would decide to work. Okay. Now we have central symmetry. This is where you connect A2 to A3. We find this point, join them together. We bisect this line. So actually, I'll show you how to do it. We bisect it over halfway from each side. And then we find our center. Some questions they actually have the center on for you. But, okay, so everything is going through this point. So we draw a straight line out here to find the center, and we know our center is going to be along this point, and then we go from the center of this through point C, bring it up, and that's where our new center is. Now we can actually draw the radius again. There she goes. I'll draw a lighter on this side because we still need to find this point here. So we know this point is going to be this point. So we go through the center. And where it meets on this point here, we join. Just going to find all the points there for you. So this point at the top is going to be on the bottom because we're going through the center. It's opposite. There you go. And this point is the same through the center. Now we just go directly up. I should go from this. Yeah, and we go directly up to meet the point. Meets this point, and we'll on the circle there. If we join from here to there, we can tell this point is going to be this point here. If you go to the center, yeah, everything looks right. So just to double check yourself there. Make sure the answer is right. That's straight down from this point. Then our darkened circle. And that's how we do then translation, axial, and central symmetry.